What if I told you there's a city in Thailand that gives you ancient temples, misty mountain jungles, world-famous street food, and elephant sanctuaries, all in one place? Chiang Mai, the Rose of the North. And honestly, it might just be the most underrated city in all of Southeast Asia. Whether you're a history lover, an adventure seeker, or someone who just wants to sit in a stunning temple and forget the world for a while, delivers on every single front. And today, I'm breaking down the 7 absolutely best places you need to visit when you're there. Stay until the end, because number 7 is the one most tourists completely miss, and it's incredible. Let's go. Doi Suthep Temple. If you only visit one place in Chiang Mai, make it this one. Perched 1,073 meters above sea level on the slopes of Doi Suthep Mountain, this temple is not just a landmark. It's a spiritual heartbeat of the entire city. The golden shady at the summit is so iconic, it's basically become the symbol of Chiang Mai itself. Getting there is already part of the experience. You'll climb a dramatic staircase flanked by enormous serpent sculptures. Those are Naga, mythical protectors in Buddhist tradition. And with every step, you'll feel that mix of effort and anticipation building. When you finally reach the top, the views over Chiang Mai Valley are absolutely breathtaking. Arrive early in the morning for the softest light and the fewest crowds. You'll see monks performing their morning rituals, the scent of incense hanging in the cool mountain air, and the whole golden complex glowing like something from another world. It's genuinely one of those moments where you stop and think, I can't believe I'm actually here. Dress respectfully, cover your shoulders and knees, or grab a wrap from the stalls at the base. Entry is a very affordable 30 baht for foreigners. Absolutely non-negotiable on your Chiang Mai itinerary. Doi Inthanon National Park. The Doi Inthanon National Park is about 90 kilometers south of Chiang Mai. So it's something that will completely reframe your idea of what Thailand looks like. Doi Inthanon National Park is home to the highest peak in Thailand at 2,565 meters, and it feels like a completely different country up here. Think cool mist, lush cloud forest, cascading waterfalls, and panoramic views that go on forever. The park's 2 biggest showstoppers are the Napa Mathanadal and Napa Palphamisiri Chadis, twin royal temples built to honor the king and queen of Thailand. They sit at over 2,200 meters of elevation, surrounded by manicured gardens and wrapped in low-hanging clouds. The contrast to the white and gold temples against the green mountain backdrop is one of the most photogenic scenes in all of Thailand. There are also stunning waterfalls to explore. Bua Tong Falls is arguably the most spectacular, crashing down 80 meters in a roaring curtain of white water. And in the early morning, the summit is so cold that locals call it the Switzerland of Thailand. Pack a jacket. Yes, seriously, in Thailand. Hire a driver or join a day tour from Chiang Mai for the easiest experience. It's a full day out, but one of the most rewarding you'll have in the entire country. Mountains, temples, waterfalls, cool air, Doi Inthanon is genuinely extraordinary. Mae Sa Valley and Bua Tong Falls, the one that most tourists miss. And here it is. About 70 kilometers north of Chiang Mai, hidden in the Mae Sa Valley, are the sticky waterfalls of Bua Tong. And these waterfalls will genuinely blow your mind. Here's the thing about these falls. You can walk directly up them. No ropes, no harnesses, no special shoes required. The limestone rocks are coated in a unique type of mineral deposit that creates an almost magical grip underfoot. You can literally stand on a vertical waterfall with your bare feet and not slip. It's physics-defying, it's completely exhilarating, and it's one of the most unusual natural experiences in the world. The falls cascade over several tiers through lush jungle, with crystal-clear water rushing past you as you climb higher and higher. There are ropes strung along the sides for confidence, but most people barely need them. Kids do it. Grandparents do it. and absolutely everyone arrives looking nervous and leaves looking absolutely elated. The Mae Sa Valley Road leading there is also lined with elephant camps and botanical gardens, so you can easily build a full day of exploration around the area. This is the hidden gem of the Chiang Mai region, and the fact that you now know about it puts you ahead of 90% of tourists. You're welcome. Elephant Nature Park. The Elephant Nature Park is one of Asia's most respected ethical elephant sanctuaries, located about an hour's drive north of Chiang Mai. And a visit here will genuinely move you. Founded by the remarkable Lek Chailert, the park rescues elephants from logging, tourism abuse, and street begging, giving them a safe, natural environment to heal and live freely. There's no riding, no performance, just elephants being elephants. You'll spend your day feeding them baskets of fruit, watching them splash around in the river, and learning about each elephant's individual rescue story from knowledgeable guides. Some are blind. All of them have survived things that will make your heart ache and your respect for this place soar through the roof. Book well in advance. Day programs sell out weeks ahead. It costs more than a typical tourist attraction, but every single baht goes toward animal care, staff wages, and continued rescues. This isn't just tourism, it's conservation, and it's one of the best things you will ever do. The Old City. If Chiang Mai is a kingdom, the Old City is its crown. Encircled by a centuries-old moat and crumbling red brick walls, this 2.5 square kilometers holds over 30 temples, winding lanes, and some of the best cafes and guest houses in all of Southeast Asia. Just wandering here feels like walking through a living history book. The Old City was the original capital of the Lanna Kingdom, founded in 1296. That's over 700 years of culture, architecture, and tradition compressed into a walkable. You'll stumble on ornate temple doorways, golden Buddhas peeking through courtyard gates, and street food carts that have been the same family for generations. Don't miss Wat Chedi Luhong, the remains of a 14th century temple whose ruined Chedi still towers over the neighborhood, which is considered the spiritual center of the Old City and houses one of the most revered Buddha images in northern Thailand. Rent a bicycle, grab a Thai iced tea, and get gloriously lost in here. Every alley has a secret, every corner has a story, and the whole atmosphere is utterly intoxicating. Nimman Road. If the Old City is Chiang Mai ancient soul, Nimman Road is its beating modern heart. This vibrant, tree-lined street in the western part of the city is where Chiang Mai creative class lives, works, eats, and plays, and it is seriously cool. Think independent specialty coffee shops tucked inside beautifully designed wooden houses. Think galleries showcasing local contemporary art. Think boutique fashion stores, organic smoothie bars, and rooftop lounges where you can sip cocktails while watching the sunset. Nimman Road is where Chiang Mai younger, hipper, design-conscious side comes alive. The sois, small side streets, branching off the main road, are full of hidden gems. Little ramen spots, plant-filled cafes, bookshops, photography studios, and night pop-up markets on weekends. And if you want to do a bit of mall shopping with air conditioning, Maya Mall sits right at the end of the road and is packed with local brands, international chains, and a great food court. This area is also where many of Chiang Mai digital nomads base themselves, and for good reason. Great coffee, fast Wi-Fi, inspiring surroundings, and a creative community that makes you feel instantly welcome. Even if you're only passing through, set aside an afternoon for Nimman. You'll love it. Chiang Mai Night Bazaar. When the sun goes down in Chiang Mai, the city doesn't sleep, it transforms. The Chiang Mai Night Bazaar stretches along Chong Klan Road in the heart of the city, and it is an absolute sensory explosion. Thousands of stalls selling handicrafts, silks, carved wood, leather goods, silver jewelry, and just about anything you can imagine, all lit up under warm lights on a balmy Thai evening. But here's the thing. The night bazaar isn't just about shopping. It's a theater. There are street performers, live music spilling out of restaurants, aroma of satay and mango sticky rice floating through the air, and a crowd energy that is infectious. It is the kind of place where you arrive planning to browse for 20 minutes and leave 3 hours later wondering where the time went. Bargaining is completely expected and part of the fun. Start about half the asking price, smile a lot, and enjoy the dance of it. The vendors are friendly, the atmosphere is electric, and even if you buy nothing at all, just walking through is an experience worth having. Pair your evening here with a plate of cow soy, Chiang Mai famous northern Thai noodle dish from one of the surrounding restaurants. Crispy noodles, coconut curry broth, and tender chicken. Absolute perfection. This is your Chiang Mai evening, sorted. That is your ultimate guide to the 7 best places to visit in Chiang Mai, Thailand. From ancient temples on misty mountaintops to waterfalls you can literally climb with your bare feet. This city is one of the most special places on the planet. Every single time someone goes to Chiang Mai, they come back saying the same thing. I didn't stay long enough. So do yourself a favor, give it at least 5 days. Walk slowly, eat everything, talk to the locals, and let this incredible city surprise you in ways you never expected. If this video helped you plan your trip, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel more than you know. Subscribe if you want more travel guides just like this one, and drop a comment below. Have you been to Chiang Mai? What was your favorite spot? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.